I'm Cait Guidry. My drone is about wildfires. Wildfires are everywhere and they happen suddenly and without any warning. They can happen when a lightning strikes a tree or just if anything in nature happens. That's why we need to find a way to stop them before they can hurt or harm any animals or people. That's why I created Prototype 1 Spark. Presenting the all-new Prototype 1 Spark. She is controlled by a high-tech watch that operates from over 40 miles away. Spark charges by a solar panel that pops out of her stomach. The battery lasts up to 48 hours before you need to charge her again. When Spark sees a wildfire, she uses her satellite dish to alert authorities, and her hose pops out to try and put out the fire. She has the water in a lightweight tank in her stomach so it's easier to carry. If that doesn't work, she makes a fire break to contain the fire. She chops down trees with her chainsaw so the fire won't jump the trees and spread. To pick up the logs, Spark uses her strong arms and chain winch to lift the trees out as fast as possible. Spark is a nature-friendly drone. I hope you choose Prototype 1 as your wildfire-stopping winner. This is my small-scale model of Prototype 1 Spark. As you can see here, this is her satellite dish, and on the sides you can see her high-tech propellers. As heard in my speech, you can see the logs that she uses, and she uses her strong arms to hold them up. And as she makes the fire breaks, she uses her chainsaw here, and you can put it on her arms as an attachment to chop down the trees. Thank you for watching.